Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Region channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI GeForce RTX 5070 12GB Ventus 2X graphics card. So friend, MSI has introduced RTX 5070 Ventus graphics card is powered by NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 chip which clock up to 2542 MHz and it comes with 12GB of fast GDDR7 memory running at 28 Gbps over a 192-bit bus and the connectivity option including 3 DisplayPort 2.1B and HDMI 2.1 port along with PCI Express 5.0 interface. So friend, the design is focused on keeping things cool thanks to the dual TORX FAN 5.0 cooling system and that MSI has built into the card, and the cooling setup help maintain steady temperature during long gaming season and heavy rendering tasks. And extra detail for those who like tweak their setup, and the card include 8-pin to 16-pin conversion cable, making it easier to match with different power supply via 16-pin connector measuring 126 mm in wide, 236 mm in long and 50 mm in thick and weight around 774 grams. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.